Manchester Subaru is the largest Subaru dealer in New England. We offer free delivery direct to your door and provide instant financing for all of our new and used vehicles.
At Manchester Subaru, we know you are not just looking out for you. You need a vehicle for your entire family. Check out the Champagne Gold 06 Subaru B9 Tribeca, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 72,692 miles. Enjoy an impressive 23 miles to the gallon on this family SUV with features like DVD entertainment system, in-dash CD changer, MP3 player, power sunroof, leather upholstery, keyless entry, side airbags, and much more. Enjoy the drive, feel safe, and have peace of mind in this 06 Subaru B9 Tribeca. See us at Manchester Subaru today.
We provide a free service loaner and free New Hampshire state inspection stickers for as long as you own your car. Call Manchester Subaru and see the difference in the way we do business.